Welcome to Freeze Your Way to Freshness. Are you tired of your fruits and vegetables going bad before you can even use them? I'm here to tell you that you don't have to chuck those beautiful ingredients in the bin. We're diving deep into the freezer, showing you how to keep your produce fresher than a bloody daisy all year round. That's right, we're talking about freezing your fruits and veggies. Get this, it locks in the flavor and nutrients so you can enjoy them anytime. We're going to cover the best techniques for freezing from berries to broccoli, so listen up. Berries. They're delicious, but let's be honest, they can turn faster than a flipping pancake. 1 minute they're plump and juicy, the next they're growing fur in your refrigerator. That's where the freezer comes in. First things first, give those berries a good wash and make sure they're completely dry. Then here's the crucial part. Spread them out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Don't even think about skipping this step unless you want a giant frozen berry brick. Freeze them solid on the tray, then transfer those beauties to a freezer-safe bag or container. This way they'll freeze individually and you can grab a handful whenever you need them. Next up, broccoli. This green machine is packed with nutrients and freezing is the perfect way to keep it from going limp in the crisper drawer. Now listen carefully, because this is important. Before you freeze broccoli, you need to blanch it. That means giving it a quick dip in boiling water to preserve its vibrant color and that satisfying crunch. Plunge the broccoli florets into boiling water for exactly 3 minutes, no more, no less. Then get them straight into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Once they're chilled, drain them well and freeze them in a sturdy freezer bag. Peas, those little green gems, are bursting with sweetness, but they can lose their flavor faster than you can say garden fresh. Don't let those precious peas go to waste. Just like with broccoli, blanching is key for peas. Give them a quick blanch in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes, then straight into the ice bath they go. This stops the cooking process and helps them maintain their bright green color and sweet flavor. Once they're completely cool, spread those little fellas out on a clean kitchen towel to dry completely before transferring them to a freezer bag. Trust me, you don't want a soggy pea situation in your freezer. Mango, the king of fruits, can be enjoyed year-round thanks to the magic of freezing. Imagine it's a snowy winter day and you're craving a taste of the tropics. Boom, frozen mango to the rescue. Now, before you go tossing that whole mango in the freezer, let's prep it properly. Start by peeling the mango and chopping it into cubes. Then, spread those golden nuggets out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they're not touching. This step is essential to prevent the mango from freezing into one giant sticky mess. Freeze the cubes until they're solid, then transfer them to a freezer-safe bag. Last but not least, let's talk about carrots. These versatile vegetables deserve a place in your freezer. Freezing them is a great way to reduce food waste and always have them ready to add to your culinary creations. First, give those carrots a good scrub and peel them. Then, chop them into your desired shape. Rounds, sticks, half moons. The choice is yours. Just keep those cuts consistent for even cooking later on. Blanch those carrot pieces in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, then give them the ice bath treatment. Once they're cool and dry, pack them up in freezer-safe bags, and you're good to go. There you have it. Your freezer is now your secret weapon against food waste. Remember, blanching your vegetables is crucial for preserving their color, texture, and flavor. And don't forget to label everything with the date so you know exactly how long it's been in the freezer. Most frozen fruits and vegetables will stay in tip-top shape for 8 to 12 months. But honestly, the sooner you use them, the better they'll be. So channel your inner culinary genius and use those frozen treasures to create delicious meals all year round. Now stop watching this video and get freezing.